Welcome back to my channel. I'll be showing how to make a simple and easy carrot serum. This serum is so good because it has a lot of nutrients. It will help to improve your skin tone and it has anti-aging properties, so stay tuned. This carrot serum, already have a carrot that I've peeled, so I'm going to use the grater to grate the carrot. Grating the carrot, I will spray the carrots on oven tray. You can use sunlight or dehydrator to dry the carrot. After about 3 days, the carrot has dried. When the carrot has dried, I'm going to add the carrots in a jar. Then I'm going to add enough oil to cover the carrot. I'll be making use of grapeseed oil. You can use coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, depending on your choice. When I'm done adding the oil, I will cover and give it a good shake. Then I'm going to allow it to infuse for about 1 week or more. After about a week, the carrot oil is ready. I'm going to strain to get the oil. I will press to get the oil. You can see how beautiful the carrot oil is. You can store the carrot oil in a container. So to make the carrot serum, I'll be making use of 3 tablespoons of carrot oil. Carrot oil contains beta carotene, it contains vitamin A, E and C. It will help to boost your skin texture and it has anti-aging properties. Spoon of argan oil. This oil will help to moisturize your skin, protect your skin from skin damage, and it has anti-aging properties. I'll be making use of 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Glycerin will help to increase your skin hydration, relieve dryness, and also smooth your skin. I'll be making use of half teaspoon of vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil will help to moisturize your skin, treat fine lines and wrinkles, and minimize the appearance of scars. You are free to add any oil of your choice. When I'm done adding, I'm going to mix to combine. I'm going to store this in a clean container. This serum is so good. It is a rich facial oil that you can use to moisturize your skin or massage your skin. You can apply this on your face in the night and your face will enjoy all the nutrients that comes from the carrot oil. This oil to improve your skin texture. I hope that this video is helpful. Thank you all for watching.